Hi friends, this is your Adil
And Amna.
Today we came with an amazing video. Let's go and hope you will enjoy it.
Cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, it's so cold outside, it's so
Ice Park was very awesome. There are many designs of statues that made from ice.
cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, it's so cold outside, it's so
Let me show some funny moments when we recording this video. While we were waiting in front of the ice park, we saw water fountain. We all go there and I was trying to touch the water fountain. Unfortunately, I fell down to the pond.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too?
Friends, did you enjoy this video? Then please like and subscribe our channel.